Lead Lightning or Power Lead System. Guys, if you're looking for a review, this is not it. This is not it. But what is going to happen with this tool? What is going to happen with this product? That's what I'm going to be talking about. Guys, I've done a video on this specific, tool that we're talking about, Lead Lightning. It's also within my tool section right here on my blog. By the way, I'll leave a link to my blog, but you can see it right here. It's Lead Lightning. It's a $7 offer. I'm going to share with you what exactly it is, but I've also done a review on my page itself. If you go to software reviews right here on my blog, you'll be able to see that there is a review on Lead Lightning done, I think, in 2025. Yeah. So almost a year ago that I've done this, and we've talked about it. There have been changes. And at the time of when I did this video and I made this review, Lead Lightning was taking a different route altogether, because obviously we were going into the AI phase of the company itself, where some changes were made, but also AI skill sets were given to the community much more. Lead Lightning or Power Lead System, guys, is a funnel builder tool. It is a tool that has been there for over 10 years. It did have a little bit of, last year it spent a lot of time with AI. It spent a lot of money with AI. It built a good community where AI prompting or prompt engineering became kind of the core element behind it, besides the automation itself. Okay, so all of those details are shared with you guys here. I personally only use Lead Lightning for, let's say, a funded proposal option. Okay, so my strategy of the way I build my affiliate marketing journey is I share and offer product that generates sales. So in this case, I have Lead Lightning. I do not have Power Lead Systems, but I'll tell you about the different pricing and everything else. But what I want to highlight on is that Lead Lightning was used for specifically this new phase that it was done, was used specifically for the AI phase. So there are some information, in fact, in the link in the description of this video will take you to this page where you get access to a couple of things, right? You can see right here, this is what you get. You get a mini money making system, obviously done for you, funnel, basically a traffic toolkit, bonuses, 7-day guarantee, and so on and so forth. But you'll also get access to this a automation, which is basically a workshop that teaches you about AI itself. Okay, plus you get a free GPT course, multiple. Honestly, for $7, it's giving you a lot. It's really giving you a lot, because you're getting a done for you system. You're getting unlimited commissions that you can earn. I personally have earned unlimited commissions from this, way more than I spent on it. So this is why also I promote it. It has an automatic follow-up system in place. It generates warmer traffic to my main offer on the back end. So, there are lots of win-wins in this scenario. Done for you content prompts, daily payouts. It hasn't missed a payout in over 10 years, guys. So it's got a lot of backing behind it because of the time that it's spent in this space and the evolution that is done. Power Lead System or Lead Lightning, I've been a part of it, and there hasn't been a lot of change in the past. And then there was a lot of change that was done because of AI. And that's a good thing. But now AI is changing so fast. So how does this kind of a product keep with this technical market that exists? So one thing that's going to be the foundation are the skills that you're learning with this platform. That's what I want to really focus on. Okay, so Power Lead System, or in general Lead Lightning, the way that it works, once you get started, you'll see right here, I'm going to try to be very honest with you guys. You'll see right here, it has 3 steps. One is join the Facebook group. Second is look at the coaching calendar. And third is advertise your link. If you need help with advertising your link, there is a way to get it right here. You'll also get access to the coaching vault and bonuses in this section, which is going to be the main area that you're going to use actually. And then you have different funnels. So you have different kinds of funnels. This is for more business opportunity traffic, which I'm going to share with you in a second, where you can get this business opportunity traffic in case you're looking for it. There's also challenge. So let's say on your Facebook, if you're talking about things, you can use this challenge funnel as also a possibility directly to a sales page. And then the AI digital twin, which was the latest funnel, which is more product based funnel right now. So the changes that happen is 2026, guys, lots of changes have happened. The tool itself was focusing on Sora as their main model that they were using for the AI digital twin training. Now, Sora was only available in the US first and foremost. Okay, so people like me in Europe and other people who are around the world had no access to it. So we, any which ways, used this training and applied it to Google Flow, to other options that were available out there. However, Grok is now a paid option, so there are tools that we can use, but it's more and more as I go into different AI based trainings, it's not so much about easiness of the models that we're using, but it's important to understand that we're also learning skills like prompt engineering, like getting better at understanding what output we want with the quality of output that we want from the AI itself. So still a good workshop to have. In my opinion, it's still a good workshop. It's a basic workshop. I wouldn't say it's an advanced stage, but it's a good place to be in for $7 where you're getting access to all of this. At the worst case scenario, which is what I recommend people to do any which ways, is get $7, but also add this workshop right here. Okay. So totally, which is $37. So totally you will spend, if I just add this to give you guys an understanding, you'll spend about $44 one time $44, and you get access to both the AAA, which I'm going to show you in a second, plus the training, the digital twin training that you can get. Okay, so all of it is on the left hand side over here. I just want to show you guys that I personally have made in the last, I have around $140 left in my commissions account, which I can transfer. I've spent $40 on this. Just on this, I've got $100 profits based on what's here. I already withdrew about, I don't know how much recently. So that was withdrawn. You can see I earned a commission 3 days ago. These are $6 commissions that come in, and it's consistently happening month after month. It's not earning me, something to leave my job, but it is right now also definitely earning me a decent amount of income. And again, as I always say, already made what I've spent back on this. So now it's just an income source for myself. All right. The training is on the left hand side right here. Lead Lightning is a very basic tool that we're using. Okay, it's a really basic tool. It costs $7 to get started. There's not too much of flexibility you can have with the tool. If you want more flexibility, you need to go to the Power Lead system. The Power Lead system is the upgraded system. It costs, I think so, $54 to get started. If I go here, why should you upgrade? You'll see right here. You get $100 commissions. Yes, okay. But let's say we want to just upgrade to... no thanks. And let's say we go and we want to just upgrade. I think it'll take me to the same thing. So you can see right here, you basically get access to you would need to pay 147 for 14 days, and then as you can see right here, it's 53, so $54 a month to get access to the Powerly system. That's the next step that's available. The Powerly system gives you access to funnels, share codes. You can do a lot of things, really a lot of things. And at the end of the day, if you're making a few already some recurring commissions from it, you just I believe need to get around 2 or 3 people in Powerly system, and then your account is absolutely for free. I know a lot of people who are using it. Again, it's not to my honest opinion, Powerly system is not the best funnel builder software, but it is a functionable, durable, sustainable funnel builder that's there. Does it have the most flexibility? It can, if you get a little bit techie. If you are not techie, then and just a drag and drop software, it's not the best option for you. It's a little bit, in my opinion, outdated compared to a Go High Level. I don't think Powerly system can compare to a Go High Level. It's just my opinion, personal opinion about it, and I'm sharing that openly. So I will give you an idea of what it is when it comes to the digital product, digital AI twins. As I mentioned, that's the other thing, right? Which was the key element right here. So they will give you access to this, and yes, right now we're talking about Sora as well, as they have added more details for the next examples. Okay, so which is quite cool. This is a document that is curated, let me put it that way, by Jeffrey Mills, who has who has his own AI business on a whole. So he is definitely keeping up to date with it. And as you can see right here, he says a final couple of pieces. Sora isn't dead yet. So it's shutting down. This is when at the end of, 26th of April. So it should be already shut down by now, but there's going to be a free app to use that will be available, which has access to Seedance and WAN as well. And then obviously you can see right here, download all your Sora files. It's telling you what exactly to do. So they're not randomly not there to help. Okay. So I just want to say that Lightning, no matter what, has always been a good place for a community, has been a good place to help, and they have been doing a pretty decent job with their AI based marketing and everything else. Now, I'm not going to share with you more information. The coaching vault is also where you can get access to, as I mentioned, the digital twin, graphics right here, the challenge bonuses, step-by-step guide, the GPT that's available. It's really helpful. Honestly, guys, for $7 or even for $44, the amount that you're getting right here, if you just follow this, regardless if it's for Lead Lightning, Power Lead System, or whatever, and you're just using it for your own business, it's going to help you. That's how I see it. And it is helping me personally in my journey. Like, I follow the same viral strategies that are there right here, and I post them on my Facebook. It's part of my natural free social media marketing training. Okay. The reason why I'm talking about it on a Wednesday is because I talk about the tools that I use, and this is one of the tools that I use. Okay. So the way that I connect the two dots is I use primarily for Lead Lightning, I use a software called, rather a traffic source called Twice Confirmed Traffic that goes to these pages on Lead Lightning itself. Okay, so basically I send to one funnel, and I believe this is these two links. So Lead Lightning funnel, BizUp funnel, and the AI Digital Twin funnel. These are the two funnels I use personally on Twice Confirmed Traffic. All the leads that you see, all the sales that you see right here, if I go to make money and commissions, you can see right here sales made in since the beginning of this year. Let me put it that way, since all of these sales are done from, have come in from specifically I think from Feb 8th onwards, right? So 1 2 3, that's all of this, guys, up till today has come in from Twice Confirmed Traffic. So that's one source. The other source that you can use, in my opinion, and I'm going to just link this down in case you guys are interested. Obviously it really depends on you if it's for this traffic or not, but I have kind of high quality traffic sources that I use in my process. Again, these are sources that I use specifically for the wealth niche, specifically for my email list, that has, by my email list, which I primarily promote the strategy that I'm using, and then I nurture them. Okay, that's the traffic source that that's the follow-up process. I use these traffic sources. I'll leave a link to this as well in the description. Both of these going to Lead Lightning Convert, and that's personally how I'm doing it. Okay, so I have a traffic source that is called Twice Confirmed Traffic. I've literally coupled these two up, and right now it's generating me income. Is it generating me more than I would make with Twice Confirmed Traffic? Not at the moment. Honest opinion about that, not at the moment. I know that it is getting better and better because I also have got 50% more traffic on Twice Confirmed Traffic because just 2 people have joined me on Twice Confirmed Traffic, so I get more traffic that way, and I can see definitely more conversion. So let's say even in the month of May, I've already made here one plus, so $18 already, and for me to go above it, I need to make at least 10 sales this month. Will I make 10 sales this month? I'm not sure, but at the end of the day, I can work towards it, and this is the traffic source that helps me work towards it. Over time, it does work. It's just going to take some momentum to build up. And remember, these are, if you are only, let's say, if you're only at the $7 level, you're only going to get $6 commissions. I personally have the U in the box as well, so I get $25 commissions as well. If I make 4 of those commissions, or just, literally 2 of those commissions, I'm already 90% at that rate of making my money back. Okay, so it's literally a question of, can I make about 3 $25 commissions? That's it. Anyway, the purpose behind all of this is that the tool is still working. It's still flexible. It's a good tool if you're just getting started. If you need to learn a little bit more about Facebook, or rather, if you need to learn more about how to use AI with your Facebook marketing and everything else, for $7, pretty decent. Okay, I've said this for the last few years. I am personally a member of Lead Lightning since 2015, guys. That's over 10 years, and promoting it since then, earned since then. I don't want to say anything else because obviously those are my results. It's up to you. It is not my primary tool, but is one of the tools that I recommend. So on my blog, you can see right here, my main tool is Systeme.io that I use for my entire business, but Lead Lightning is in the 4 that's available right here. Okay, if you have any questions, let me know in the description of this video. I don't have too many tools. Again, all my links and resources are below. On Friday, I'm going to go over a strategy that, just come on and you'll see it. Okay, so it's Friday. It's specifically a strategy. Let me just look, but it's specifically a strategy on, how I'm leveraging a training or academy to grow my business. On Friday, guys, I'm going to cover community builders for the OLSP system, OLSP Academy. So make sure you do come there because it's part of the series that I'm doing. I've covered already Live Profit Builders. I've covered Mega Link. These are all steps in your journey. And if it's relevant for you, I want to make sure that I am giving you guys the most value. And in fact, community builders will get access to me on one-on-one training. So that's why make sure you stick till come to Friday's video so you can check out more details and all the bonuses related to that. Oh, and remember, keep paving the way for your dreams to come true.